Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter this site can't be reached error, then watch this video for the solutions. Now the first solution is to look for internet options in the search bar, click on it, and then click on the connections tab. Now here, click on LAN settings, and then we need to make sure that this box is unchecked. Use a proxy server for your LAN and then click OK. Now once that is done, we'll also click on the advanced tab and we'll click on restore advanced settings and click on apply and click on OK. Now once that is done, we will now open the run dialog box, Windows plus the R key, and we will type ncpa.cpl. Great. And we'll right click on this and click on properties. Now once that is there, we will now make sure that Internet Protocol version 6, that is IPv6, is unchecked, and along with that we'll click OK. Now we can also try right clicking and disabling and then enabling the Wi-Fi. Now after that we can also use the command button, the command prompt, sorry, right click on it and click on run as administrator, and you will enter the commands netsh winsock space reset and press enter. And now you need to enter another command netsh space int space ipv4 space reset again dot log and press enter, right? And the last command you need to enter is ipconfig space slash flush and press enter. Perfect. Now we flushed the DNS. You will find all these commands in the description of this video, folks. And the next thing we need to do is we need to do a network reset. So we can right click on the start button, go to settings, and then go to network and internet and go to advanced network settings, and then here we will look for network reset. Click on reset now and it will restart your computer. Now once your computer restarts, the Bluetooth, the error should go away, but if it doesn't, then we can do one more thing. We can again open the run dialog box and enter the command ncpa.cpl. Now here we can right click on this and go to properties. In this tab we can click on Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4, and then we can here use the following DNS server addresses. So there we will use the Google default server DNS, which is 8.8.8.8, and the alternate DNS server is 8.8.4.4. Click on OK, and the page should load. You will no longer face this issue. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.